Grandpa, this won't stop. It's so annoying.
Oh dear, looks like someone is stuck on repeat.
Why do we even get hiccups?
Don't worry, Aju. It's just your body playing a little trick. You see, inside you have a muscle called the diaphragm.
Is that the thing that helps me breathe? Hic!
Exactly. Usually, it moves smoothly like a calm wave.
But right now, mine feels super jumpy.
That is because it is having a spasm jerking without warning.
Whoa! It feels like it is pulling air in way too fast.
When air rushes in, your vocal cords slam shut.
Oh. Oh.
So that shutting sound is the actual
Hic?
sound?
It happens if you eat too fast, drink soda, or swallow air.
Drinking water slowly helps reset the muscle and stop the spasm.
Okay. I think it is working.
Hey, it finally stopped. Is it dangerous?
No, Aju. Most hiccups are harmless and go away quickly.
Follow us for more useful videos.
Share this video to all your friends.